at me. Don't show off.
No, don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch.
No, you're not getting dinner. You're bad.
Leave me alone. 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 What are you doing? No. No.
Tarzan.
Quit licking. Stop licking. Stop.
Bailey, are you sad? No.
Shake.
You're adopted. Yeah. You're not mine. You're adopted. Yeah.
Off him. Get off of him. Yeah. He is not for you.
Take 6 feet back. Back up. Back up. What the hell?
No. Stop it.
So this is why boxers are my favorite breed. They always have this look on their face like they owe you.
Not going back outside. No, you're not. You better stop talking back there. This is my new carpet. Come on, man.